This is Bobby with Classic Car Investments, and today we have a gorgeous 1953 Oldsmobile 98 4-door sedan. This is a very cool car. This car has been out of California. I think it's been in California its whole life. It's been completely frame off restored. Every nut and bolt. I have pictures of restoration where they took the body off the frame and every piece of chrome off it and everything. It's a nice rust-free California car. And to top it all off, what makes this car really, really unique is totally bone stock looking on the outside and even the inside, but it's got a totally updated drivetrain in it. It's powered by a Olds 455 engine with a late model, the newer transmission in it. A turbo 400, I believe it has. But it's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, tilt wheel, power windows. It's got shoulder strap seats, seat belts. It's got a AM/FM cassette radio with XM radio. I mean, the thing's totally set up to drive, like to take on cruises, and you know, it's, you don't have to worry about, you know, the old technology. It's all modern, updated. So tilt steering column, I mean, this thing is, they spent a ton of money on this car. You know, rational fraction of what it actually cost to build it, but very cool car. Again, it's painted silver. It's got a beautiful paint job on it, beautiful body, super straight down the sides, as you can see. I'm gonna kind of start from the back and go forward here, but all the glass is beautiful in the car. All the stainless and all this stuff in the pictures you can see has all been redone. I mean, all the stainless, all the weather stripping, all the window weather stripping. You can see the vent windows, all brand new, all re-chromed. I mean, I don't know what the guy spent on it. I have a stack of receipts, but it had to have been between 50 and 100 grand. You know, if you took it to a restoration shop, it'd cost you way over 100 grand to do this car. All new taillight lenses look like beautiful. This is all very nice. That's usually pitted. All the chrome's beautiful on the car. The fit's great. Emblems are beautiful, all re-chromed. See, this taillight's excellent. Fender skirts fit excellent. All the body, the sill plates on the bottom are all been repolished and look beautiful. All the door fits excellent. Door handles, rubbers are excellent. It's a very quality built car. New windshield, beautiful. Windshield seals excellent. Wipers, these the bases are usually pitted. Those are gorgeous. Window vents, brand new rubber. You can see it's new glass and this is chromed. I mean, to go that far, especially on a 4 like this, they went crazy. Original wheels, hubcaps with wide white wall radial tires are like new. All the stainless, the headlight rings are beautiful. All the chrome on the bumper is beautiful, and it's real high quality chrome too. It's not they didn't cheap out on anything on this thing. Everything shines beautifully. Emblem's beautiful. This is a compare it off. Sap or something. Re-chromed hood ornament. Just a really, really cool car. I took pictures underneath. You can see how nice it is. I mean, the body was off the frame, all new exhaust, suspension, everything. Inside the trunk, I took pictures also. You can see it's nicely finished off in there. You can see the interior is beautiful on it. All restored. Dash, steering wheel. You can see that even the inside, the center of the horn is beautiful with plastic. Horn ring's perfect. Steering wheel is excellent, restored. All the gauges been restored. I mean, all the little knobs have been re-chromed. And this is tilt steering column after they put, you know, added this, so depends how big you are, you can put the steering wheel up. It's got the under dash air conditioning, blows cold, speakers all over the place in it, you know, the AM/FM radio. Seats are beautiful. Original seats, it's recovered. Nice, very nice material, not like vinyl where you're gonna stick to it. A nice velour-ish interior. power seat, all that stuff works. Nice custom door sills. Jams are beautiful in it, nicely finished off. This is a matte in here, but the carpet's mint underneath. Door panels are beautiful. All new weather stripping. All the power windows work. Look at the headliners, excellent. Lights all work, courtesy lights. Being 98, you know, it's top of the line. It's got the little pole things here, an ashtray there, speakers in the back here, and also you can see the seatbelt shoulder straps go right through the rear package tray there. Really cool. I mean, the guy thought of everything when building this thing. See how nice it is. Everything's finished off really nice. No corners are cut on this car. The gas, see how nice it's finished off in there. Showing you everything here, but you get the idea. It's a hell of a nice car. I believe it shows 1,300 miles. I think that's 1,300 miles on the whole build. Nice the jams are, and the slow plates. And this car's got no excuses. Cruise light work, the heater box is nice, AC, nice install. This is cool. When you open that, these are some instructions on the radio and everything, but this pops out. That's for the satellite radio, so when you're going on little trips and stuff. It's a great car to put the family in and you know, have fun with your friends, whatever. You know, the hard tops and convertibles is a pain in the ass to get in and out of. This is a great fun cruiser. This car you can actually drive every day if you want to. Under the hood, absolutely gorgeous. It's a show quality. So just look at the bright bolts they used. I mean, they didn't cut corners on anything on this car. Wiring harness is all new. You can see just how extensive the restoration was on this thing. AC's all new. Edelbrock card, power brakes, power steering. All this is custom. Under the hood, nicely finished. Again, there's tons of pictures. I'll just show you. Look at the bolts they use in the fender. Hood shut's nice. Starts right up. Let you guys hear it. Got the dual exhaust. Sounds really nice. All the lights work. We checked it all out. Power seat goes back and forth, works great. The horn works good. I mean, it's ready to go. It's all safety checked. All the power windows, all four of them go up and down. Checked all that. Wipers work great. AC, blows nice cold. Really nice for cruising. All the gauges work. It's got an MP3 player also. And power antenna, you saw that go up. This is the go by this shift indicator, so they put this in there. But car gets up and goes nicely, stops great. Basically kind of a retro little 53 Olds Pro Touring, I would say. I mean, it's a fully stock look. It's like a street rod covered in a stock body, basically, which is very cool, and that's the way everything's going these days. I mean, you know, people customize the outside with funky colors and shave all the chrome and shit off it, and you know, that's outdated, I think. You know, people want class, and this is classy. Still looks like a totally stock, classy 53 Olds 98, but you got all the amenities you could ever want. You know, this is a timeless build. It's not a fatty build, you know, that just goes out of style in a couple years and all your money's down the tube. So nice and responsive. The steering's nice and tight, stops good, doesn't pull anywhere. Having the 4P5 is nice and powerful. Take it down the freeway, go cruising 75, 85 miles an hour. One finger on the wheel. Great car. So don't wait too long. We got it priced really right. You know, you're gonna have the only one out there to like it. You can never build a car like this. It'll take you years, time, sweat, and you can just buy it for a fraction right now. Price of a new Honda minivan, and you can have a really cool classic. So don't wait too long. It's not gonna last too long. So good luck, and we'll see you on the next one.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute.